Hello everyone. So today I'm gonna eat fairy squid. Fairy. It's fairy squid. So Japanese name is hotaru ika, but English name is fairy squid. It's nice naming. Do you know the mean fairy? Fairy mean 妖精. It's good naming. Yeah. Fairy squid. So in this fairy squid, it's nighttime coming to surface area, Japanese sea. So this fairy squid is shining. This fairy squid is shining in shallow water, shallow sea area in Japanese sea. So nighttime shining. It's a beautiful blue light. So too many come to shallow side of beach. So beautiful. The English name is fairy squid. I love this kind of name. It's so romantic. So I'm gonna eat, but this one is very small, you know. But eyeball side, it's a little hard texture. That's why I have to take off. Okay. Okay. So I have another one. So this one is I'm just little boil hot water with salt and make some topping. So I have to clean up this one also. Take long time. So I'm gonna eat today penne, not long pasta. I'm gonna eat today short pasta. Penne. It's a very popular short pasta. Right? And then I use garlic, 2 garlics, little bit anchovy paste, hot chili, and just 2 grams salt. I guess this fairy squid has a sort of taste already inside organ, and I'm gonna eat penne, so have to boil. So about 3 liters hot water. So I'm already added 30 grams salt. That's why this short pasta boil up. So at that time already this pasta has a salt taste a little bit. That's why. So totally you have to think about how many salt inside in this pasta. That's why you better careful. Just to set 2 grams salt. But depends on after taste, so I'm add it or less, or depends on situation. So this one is a mitzvah, just decoration on green, and olive oil, and secret seasoning, naan. So this one is good for the seafood. Okay, let's start cooking and boiling. Okay, start cooking. Olive oil, like this, and turn on switch. High flame. Okay. So I'm just waiting of good flavor come to garlic and hot chili pepper. So usually I'm starting time, so already put in the anchovy paste, but today is a little different because I have to try to taste of fairy squid. So they had how many salt inside in organ had salt. So I'm just try to saute fairy squid, then eat. So then after I'm gonna put in the anchovy paste. Time is nice. So you better scoop like this and like that. It's a little bit temperature cooling down, no problem. Okay. Very good. Well, I didn't tell you first starting time. This is the white wine, little bit. This was a seafood. Smell, nice flavor. So let me try to how salt inside. One piece of fairy squid. Yeah, nice flavor. How about juice? Little bit salty. Okay, I'm gonna arrange. So I'm gonna add anchovy paste, just a little bit, because this one is salty. Like this, it's enough. Good flavor. Penne. Take balance. Good flavor. More olive oil. Secret seasoning, nampula, like this. Little bit boiled down. Try to taste again. Good flavor. Okay, let's start eat. Fairy squid penne. Try to eat. Itadakimasu. Penne. Good flavor from fairy squid. Fairy squid. Good matching with penne. So this fairy squid pasta making method, the point is don't use too much salt. Don't use. This fairly squid has salt already inside organ. That's why you better try to taste many times. Then, last part is you better adjust a good flavor. Okay. So you can use a long pasta or another short pasta. So today I'm just want to eat penne. Good matching, good texture, good flavor from fairly squid. So thank you for watching my channel. See you again another time in my kitchen. Thank you. Bon appetit.